Testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about why metal rusts. Today we're going to be talking about why does metal rust in the first place. Okay, so have you ever accidentally left your bicycle out in the rain? Okay, let's say you stupidly accidentally forget it in just some random place, okay, and then it starts raining. And after it rains, right, after a while, okay, you forget to get it, you go back to it and you find these red brownish flakes, okay, coming out of the bike, okay. Well, those little flakes are rust. But why is your bike making rust? So why does the metal rust? Well, rust is basically a chemical reaction, okay, that contains the following, okay, between oxygen, iron, and water. These three alone create rust. How? Well, step one goes like this, okay? Step one, there at least has to be some form of humidity, okay? Just some water and some oxygen air, okay? When this happens is that the water, okay, will stick to the surface of the metal, okay, for example the iron, okay, so there's some humidity, okay, so let's even just a bit of humidity, the water will stick on to the iron. So when this happens, okay, step two comes into play, okay. So what happens is that the iron atoms, okay, lose their electrons in a process called oxidization or something like that, okay. Since they lose their electrons, the third stage happens, okay. So in the third stage, okay, the electrons that the iron lost basically combine with the oxygen and also combine with the water, okay, which equals to hydroxide iron, okay. So with this, well, not iron, ion, okay. So what happens then is we go on to the fourth and final step, is that this ion combines with the iron ion to create hydrated iron oxide, okay. Now this hydrated iron oxide is better known as rust, okay. But what makes rust so much of a problem? Well, it's mostly because it leaves the iron on the lower layers more vulnerable. You see, since the water sticks on top of the surface iron atoms, okay, due to being on the surface, once those flakes have been removed, if it gets big enough, still some of the humidity can still get in, okay, can still get in, and this basically means the rust can slowly spread. Okay, that basically means even if a small patch of rust you spot, oh, you think that's fine, it can quickly spread to be very big, okay, and can literally destroy pieces of metal, okay. Now, another thing to also know is that salt, any form of salt water, makes rusting even more faster, as it just makes this process even more faster than before, okay? That's basically why metal rusts, okay? So that's basically it, and yeah. So thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.